Okay guys, the Harbor Freight Portland 1750 PSI. Let me get this in the shade maybe. Got the on off. That's where you put your hose. You got your wire. Oh, I got a lot of wire on there yet. Wow, I thought that's all I had. That's a plus. You got the water connector. It also comes with a bottle. You can put soap in and connect it to your gun. It's really good. Kind of strong, makes a lot of noise. Yeah, the house looks clean now. Wait, come over here. See all this? Dirt and mold all over the place. See that? Done. So, you know, it also has an automatic off button. You know, you can kind of, it's adjustable tip. You can adjust that tip if you want. Now you have to understand, guys, this is all wet yet here. This is getting dry. It's all getting dry now. Let me show you over here. The tip is adjustable. This you can take, twist it off, put your water connector in there. What do you mean? I mean, look how nice this is. Look at that. You know, I mean, this is wet yet. It really comes out really well. I mean, okay, you can see all the junk here. You know, really bad over the winter. The back side of the house, you know, the sun don't hit in the winter, so you get all this mildew and everything. And you can see it all up here as well. So all that's going to have to be taken care of. But you can see dirty, clean. Thing works great. I'm going to show you the box, then we'll wrap up this video. Good for your decks, good for your windows, around your windows, good for your car. You clean that car up really good. Really good. I still got some work to do here with the windows, especially that one. The Portland 1750 PSI does the job. Got this thing for what, 76 bucks, 80 bucks. You can get it on sale. I bought mine, it was $99.99. I used the 20% off. The guy gave me $80 I paid for it, so works really well. It comes with a real nice plug. You got your on off switches here. So of course you want it off. This is a test button, this is a reset button, but I had to hit that to initially start it. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead, finish cleaning my house, siding. Smash that like button if you like this video. See you on the next one.